Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to start a channel video call from your account on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This feature lets you connect live with your channel audience easily and quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside Telegram, navigate to the channel where you want to start the video call. Just find your channel in the list and open it like you would open any chat or group. Now, here's the key part. Look at the top right corner of your channel window. You'll see a set of icons. Find the call icon, which is usually the middle one among them. Click on that call icon to begin. After clicking the call icon, you'll get an option that says Start Live Stream. This is Telegram's way of letting you broadcast live video to your channel followers. Go ahead and select Start Live Stream. Next, Telegram will prompt you to choose which account you want to use for the live stream. If you have multiple accounts or profiles linked, make sure you pick the right one. After selecting your account, simply click Continue. Once you hit Continue, your live stream will start, and your channel members will be able to join the video call live. This is a fantastic way to engage directly, answer questions, or share news in real time with everyone who follows your channel. And that's it. With just a few clicks, open Telegram, go to your channel, hit the call icon, choose Start Live Stream, select your account, and continue. You're live on your channel via video call from your PC. It's user-friendly and perfect for staying connected with your community in an interactive way. Thank you for watching.